Hello everyone, welcome to the NASSCOM AI Maturity Assessment Framework demo.
My name is Manju Kiran. I work with Robert Bosch as Artificial Intelligence Project Manager. For organizations looking to accelerate their AI transformation journey, assessing AI readiness is an important first step, particularly because there are multiple significant dimensions that drive, affect, and influence this journey.
Hi everyone, I'm Nimish Gupta, Data and Analytics Manager in Boston Consulting Group. KTech Center of Excellence, Data Science and AI at NASSCOM have partnered with eClerx and AI industry experts to build such a framework that enables organizations to diagnose their AI readiness. The NASSCOM AI Maturity Assessment Framework allows a user to record his or her observations regarding their organization's current AI maturity. Furthermore, by using the framework, one can assess the current fitment of their organization's readiness out of the 4 profiles of explorer, enthusiast, expert, or evangelist. Over the next few minutes, we will take you through the capabilities of this framework.
What is the AI Maturity Assessment Framework? Simply put, the framework is a way to measure an organization's current ability to achieve and scale impact from future AI systems. As a representative of an organization looking to self-assess its AI readiness, a user simply needs to sign up to access the tool. To start with, the framework asks for details about the user's company and its size and industry. The user also needs to provide his own details to receive a questionnaire survey URL in their business email inbox. Clicking the URL will take the user directly to the framework. In the top left corner, different stages of the analysis will be visible. The first step is to fill in all the responses to the assessment framework, consisting of 31 questions. The AI Maturity Assessment Framework is divided into 8 dimensions, such as leadership commitment, innovation programs, people, and culture, etc., that an organization needs to address to self-assess its AI readiness. These 8 dimensions work together to enable and scale impact from AI over time, so it's important to address them all. The user can assess their organization for each dimension by responding to the questions on the right. The user can record his response to each question by selecting one out of the 4 given options, as per the current state of his organization regarding that aspect. These options are curated in consultation with industry experts to represent the possible AI maturity state of an organization. We have designed an easy-to-understand framework to help organizations assess their ability to adopt artificial intelligence. Clicking on the next or previous buttons enables the user to navigate to different dimensions within the framework. Once the user finishes responding to all questions in the framework, clicking on Finish will reveal the results. AI maturity is divided into 4 stages: explorer, enthusiast, expert, and evangelist. Based on the user's responses, the organization's overall maturity score is calculated to define its AI maturity state. This state is also defined for each dimension in the bottom table. The results can be exported to PDF for offline sharing and also for later reference. The framework features a history section to help the organization keep track of its AI transformation journey across multiple dimensions.
We urge you to make use of the NASSCOM AI Maturity Assessment Framework to assess the current AI readiness of your organization. Leverage this tool to determine which stage of AI readiness your organization is currently at, based on 8 key dimensions. Then, you can determine which dimensions will provide the critical leverage you need to move forward in order to accelerate and scale your AI initiatives. From there, you can design AI projects, roadmaps, and work plans that move you forward and take you closer to your strategic, tactical, or operational goals.
Take the assessment to check your organization's AI readiness.